What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am sharing with you guys how to style a silk scarf because they are so trendy right now. So I thought it would be fun to show you all the different ways that you can use a silk scarf because it's a very versatile piece and definitely a good item to have in your collection. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to follow me on social media. I post very regularly on Instagram. And without further ado, let's hop into it. So these are the two scarves we're going to be using throughout the video. So for this first look, you just need an elastic, and we're going to start by taking some pieces from the front of our face and just sectioning them off. And we're going to take the rest of the hair and put it into a low ponytail. And then we're going to fold our scarf in half into triangles, and you are just going to be placing on the top of your head and tying it underneath the ponytail. Now you're just going to adjust it on the top of your head, and we are going to take out the elastic, and that's basically it. You just touch up where you want the scarf to lay and you're good to go. This kind of reminds me of like a picnic vibe. I don't know, it's super cute and I love it. This is also a great option if you're having a bad hair day. So this next look, the process is almost exactly the same as the previous one. So we're just going to start by laying it on the top of your head. And we are just going to, once again, tie it behind. I like to do a double knot so it'll stay. And, you know, adjusting where it lies on your head. And that's literally it. This is like my favorite look with a bathing suit. When you see this trend online, this is the most popular way that people are wearing it. We're going to do another little ponytail action. So we're going to take all our hair this time and put it into a low ponytail. Once again, taking our scarves, we're going to start from underneath the ponytail and just tie it around the elastic, so it hides the elastic and gives the illusion that the scarf is holding your hair together. For this look, I just decided to tie it around twice to make the scarf pieces shorter. There's something so delicate about this look. I know it's just a ponytail with an accessory, but I really think that the scarf brings it to the next level. For this next look, we're going to be turning the scarf into a little headband. So first, you're going to put the scarf underneath all of your hair, and then we're going to just create a knot on the top of our head, like so. And because the extra fabric is so long, I decided to just tuck it underneath. And then we're going to be pulling out a good chunk of hair from both sides of the part just to frame your face a little better. I really love this look, and it doesn't even look like you're wearing a scarf, it just looks like a normal headband. So this is just another way that you can use the scarf as a headband. So again, we're just going to be repeating the same exact process, tying it on the top of your head. This one I did 3 knots. And the biggest difference between this look and the previous one is that the headband is much closer to my forehead, and I also did leave the excess fabric from the scarf just out to kind of create a bow appearance. Now we're going to just throw our hair into a little top knot. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just twist my hair around and then, of course, add my hair tie. See, I even missed a piece because I'm a mess. We're going to pull some pieces out to frame our face. Then we're going to take our scarf and just wrap that bad boy around the bun. I do it 3 times and then finish with a little tie on the top. We're just gonna loosen the hair a little bit, and there you go. Simple as that. Super cute, super fun, super easy, and literally takes no effort at all. We're gonna take that scarf out and now move on to our other scarf just to show you another thing you can do. So for this one, we're just gonna repeat wrapping it around, tying it on top of the bun. Instead of tying it around again, we're just gonna leave the excess fabric hanging. Just gives it a little bit of a different look. Both are cute, it just depends on what look you want to achieve. You can also repeat that same exact process, but with a high ponytail, so wrapping it around, tying, and leaving the excess fabric. This look is adorable, and you can also do this with a half up, half down look. That's really cute as well. I just did a ponytail for the sake of this video. And of course, you can also use the silk scarf as a top. I think this is such a cute option for when you're going out. So this is just what both of them look like on. It's kind of scandalous, but you know, I would definitely wear it. Okay guys, so that wraps up this style video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really love fashion and creating style videos, so I want to try and start incorporating more of these style and fashion type videos to my channel. So if you guys do enjoy them, make sure to hit the like button so that I know. And I will be doing a giveaway when we reach 10,000 subscribers, and we're very, very close. So if you have not subscribed already, it would mean the world to me if you did. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.